Oh my God, kids just got on the bus. It is so absolutely freezing. As I take all this gear off here and put stuff away, these wind chills are bitey this morning. Bitey, that's my official term. It's really cold out there. I mean, it almost feels below zero everywhere. And I'm at a higher elevation, and I can verify it's cold. But the $1 million question is, when is all of this cold going to produce any snow? And the truth of the matter is while it's this cold, it's not going to. But when are we going to see a pattern change? And everybody's abuzz about this weekend. Real quick though, how long is this weather going to be absolutely frigidly freezing cold? Today's going to feel really cold. Tomorrow's going to feel even worse because the wind's going to pick up and the temperatures are going to be about the same. This is just looking for Manchester, so temperatures are going to rise a little bit, getting into the mid-20s. I'm still single digits. And it's a little gusty and breezy out there, but tomorrow we're going to see those really pick up. Temperatures are about the same, so we are looking at single digits for most of the day, definitely not getting beyond single digits. Like that's cold wind chill. Then let's take a look for Wednesday. Wednesday, bone chilling, cold. Thursday, a little better. And popping over to AG2 Trader, right? Everybody's super cold unless you're in Quebec. Well, that's a different story. So really cold. Things will moderate and get a little bit better again, but I'm not seeing any long-term improvement. If you want to know where any of our chances of snow are, it would be possibly there or maybe there. And if I were a betting man, unfortunately, I wouldn't put a lot on either of those. And the reason this is happening is because the jet stream is hanging out down here. And as long as the jet stream's hanging out down here, we just have nothing but cold up here. And this is the path all the storms are going to take. So why has your favorite meteorologist not told you about this upcoming storm this weekend that everybody's abuzz about? Because this was the model variation just yesterday. And then if you're a real meteorologist, you know there's some really awesome, amazing tools out there like these new AI forecasts, which aren't great, but they have their strengths and weaknesses because we look at data and we kind of figure these things out. And so the AI forecasts are absolutely pointing at this being another mid-Atlantic, southern mid-Atlantic type of storm exit. And you know what? They're real good at that, with some caveats that meteorologists know nothing about. And you want to know what's wild? Models this morning are coming into agreement with those AI models. Here's today's 0Z GFS run. And the 6Z, look at how we are trending. Here's where the Euro was at 0Z. And here's where it is at 6Z. My weather weenies are a kind and skilled people, and they saw through the BS, and they knew that those forecast model runs, posting something that extreme that far out, one, usually doesn't come to fruition, and two, they realized that I wasn't talking about it, and there must be a reason. So, for all the meteorologists out there, if you posted something crazy sensational about this forecast, stop talking about things you don't know about. As a New Englander and as a skier, it sucks. It sucks. I want snow. It's January. It's nice and cold. The pond hockey and the ice season is phenomenal. Best one I think I've ever seen in New England. But I want snow, and it's just not going to happen. Anyone who was outside yesterday, Sunday, January 5th, there were flurries off and on. There will be days where we get flurries, where we get little bits and pieces of stuff coming through. But I don't see any good accumulating snow anytime in the next 2 weeks. I'm sorry.